Hi, good evening. This is Sajan. Today topic is about what is meant by easy to user data, metadata, and AMI types. Okay. So first, let us discuss what is meant by user data. So it is a script passed during the instance launch. When we launch the instance, at the time we will pass some script which will do automated configurations. It will install the softwares. It will configure the security things. So that is user data. Okay. So for example, in the user data, it will be in a bash script. Echo hello from EC2 user data, it will be redirected to this home ECT user hello.txt. So what does it mean? It will open the hello.txt file in this EC2 user folder structure with the content hello from EC2 user data. This echo it will actually display, but we are redirecting this test into this file. Okay, so. Uh, so this is one simple example how the user data is. What is the key benefits? It mainly reducing manual setting of the web server or some application deployment, security configurations. Okay, and metadata. Next is metadata. What is metadata? Data about running instance. For example, if you are launched some AMI images, metadata says that what is the instant ID, AMI ID, IP address, what IP address it is running, what security group it is belongs to. So how we can access? So it's like within it is a special internal IP address 169. With this address, we can get all the information within the instance. For example, if you are staying in a hotel, from the hotel room within the hotel room, you can communicate to the reception directly. Just you can make a call and but actually within the hotel we can directly communicate. Okay. Likewise, we have the special internal IP address which is used to communicate within the instance to access instance ID, AMI ID, IP address, security groups, and different information. So how it is happening is with the help of this metadata service v2. Okay, so here it is IMD SP2. This is service secure metadata access. It will provide this service. So first we need to get the token. Okay, so by using this curl command with put command which run this internal IP to get it will create some session for this second. This time to live seconds. This token will be active. Okay, so after activating this token, then uh, we can use this token to get the instance ID and AMI ID and all other information. So, for example, here these are the metadata informations we can get by using that IMDSP2 secure metadata access service. Public IP availability, which availability load this instance, which region it is, security groups. Okay, and next thing is Amazon machine image types. We have mainly four different types of Amazon images. One is AWS provided AMIs. So it is provided by Amazon Web Service. That is AWS provided AMIs. Then custom AWIs. So this is what we can create uh, our custom AMIs from this our own configured EC2 instance. Okay, that is custom EMS. The next one is Marketplace AMI. Marketplace AMI is a third-party vendor image which is having different software like SQL, all other applications are all pre-installed. So, for example, Ubuntu Pro, Fortinet, all are third-party. So we have to pay some amount for these services. Then imported AMI. So here this one for some enterprises within their data center they will do all the they will install several softwares and make a image, then that will be uploaded into Amazon cloud by using this S3 service. Okay, so from the S3 Amazon service we can import that image and we can launch in the cloud. Okay, so that is imported AMI. So we have to select among these four different EMI. We can select based on the what requirement, licensing, what type of maintenance we have, what is the performance. Based on these considerations, we can select which type of instance we need. So next topic is the I'm going to uh, uh, do some lab exercise where I'm going first. I will launch this instance, and after launching that instance, in the user data, I will make that instance to become a web server. Okay, so here this here I have the shell script where DNF install HTTPD. Why it will install the Apache web server. Then here we are starting the web server, then enabling the web server, then we are echoing this information into this HTML page. Okay, so just a simple data user data we have. So main thing what we have discussed today class is user data. It is a script it will by you which will automate our various configurations and it reduce the manual work ensuring consistency. Metadata it's a data about the launched instance images. Okay, we have four different types of image selections. Based on that we can select based on our necessity. Okay, next let us go for the lab. Here we have uh, I already opened the AWS. I launch instance. So what I'm going to launch, I'll going to launch Linux web server. Because I'm going to launch this as a web server, Linux web server, Linux Amazon Linux. I have selected already. So this one is free tier, so we can select the same AMI image. Then instance type is T3 and keeper I already have, so I can use this lab exercise 3. I'll so now network settings available zone. I'll launch in 1A zone. Then security group. I'll select already have security group and advanced details here only we should use our user data. Okay, while launching it will make the instance to become a web server, so we can put our script here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some script here. So here this line says that it will install the Apache web server, then start the web server and enable the web server, then change directory into this location where this is the default web page location. Then here we are cloning this GitHub repository and move into this location. Okay, now I'll launch. Okay, we have just launched. Okay, now without login into this instance, actually it is a Linux machine, so we have to do SSH to log into this instance. But as we have used the user data, we could do remotely. We have enabled various. We have enabled the web server, so we could access the web page. Okay, so just we can copy this DNS, public DNS. Okay, then we can put here. We should see. Yeah, so this is what the web page. Okay, so we successfully launched the instance. Is that? So we have successfully launched instances. So these are already I was using. Okay. So what we have done in this lab session, so we have launched an instance. When we have by using user data, we have automated these making of these instance to become a web server, and we could access the web page. Okay, that's it. The next session, what we are going to do. Uh, Next thing in this session, we are going to create a new um, AMI image. Now itself, I am going to create an AMI image from this instance, already launched instance, and I could launch launch the same information. I could get it. Okay, that's what our next I'll going to do. So here I don't have any image created. Now I will go to instances, action, image and templates, create image. So what I'm going to give, I'm going to create Linux image, Linux image. What is that? Site particles, because that is a website. Okay, and so here, so we here Linux web server. So we have created the images. Okay, so create image. That's it. Now previously there is no images, but I have now new image. And who is the owner? This is me. You can see here 9455112 end with 112. Okay, now I'm going to launch this instance. Okay, I'll going to launch instance from AMI. Okay, so now what I need to go? Um, uh, Image, new image, new Linux image. I'm going to launch. Okay, so now we have our own AMI. So what is it? Linux. machine image. Okay, so just now we have created from the image, already existing image. Then here we can give the key pair, and here I could give available zone 1A. Okay, then security group and CZ. That's it. We no need to give any user data because already we have given in the when we launch the Linux instance, there itself we have created what to do in this user data. So that is already there. Okay, that user data is already in this image. So no need to give any additional informations. Okay, so launch instance directly we could give. Okay, now we are launch instance failed. That is okay. It's already launch installation failed because retry failed task. There is some issue. Let me go to instance. It's still running. So EMA is already done or not? Okay, pending. Oh, that's the reason. It couldn't. We have to wait. Oh, sorry. It's still the status is pending. So that is the reason. It will take 3 minutes because it will do some snapshot also. So you here you can see. Um, so image will be linked with some snapshots. Okay. Now it's available. Now we can launch. What is the image name we can give? New image. New image launch. Okay. So here we have my AMIs. Okay. What is my AMI? We have this Linux image site particles. And already I explained. So by default it will availability zone no need to give, but I'm giving 1A. Security group, I need to select one security group. Then already I explained what's no need to use any give any user data. Okay, now it is launched. Okay, now you can see this is launched. So this is so new image launched. Okay, so we have launched one instance. From the instance, we have created one image. From the image, we have launched the instance. We have this public DNS. So what is that? 1 to 4. Okay, is it 1 to 4? Previously, it was 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, now we should see the same web page, which is launched in another instance. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you.